G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars, or Wayne's Diecast Trucks, I should say maybe. Alright, I just picked up this display cabinet probably about a week ago. I've had to get three more shelves cut for it, because the previous owner had broke the shelves. So I just got 3 cut for it, and just set it up here in the hallway where I had a space in the corner. Already came with a light in it, so at the moment I've just set it up to put trucks in. I'll probably change it around later, I don't know. But we've got our 143 scale IXO trucks here, and just some 164s and a 134 down the bottom. I will get some additional shelving so I can stack the trucks up a bit more to get more in. Otherwise it just takes up too much space like that. I've got another 15 of the IXOs, the 143s, that I've got to do video reviews on and get in here, so that'll take up pretty much most of the rest of the space. So I need some additional shelving in here. So we'll just have a quick look at what I've got in there at the moment. Most of these I've done reviews on, so you would have seen a lot of this, but if you're just checking out this video, well, this is what I've got. So I've got a couple of Macs there, and then the Ford LTLs. This is probably my favourite out of the whole bunch there, the Fords. There is a few more colours that I would like to get. And then we've got a shelf of Peterbilts. That yellow one there would probably be the favourite, mainly because it's got no chrome on it. I'm a fan of, well, not really a fan of chrome, I guess you would say, but most trucks have chrome on them. But yeah, no, I like no chrome. And then we've got a Freightliner. It's a 143 scale. And then 164 bullnose Kenworth. And most of these, or whatever I've got left anyway, is on my eBay store. So go have a look at that. Whatever's left will be there. I've got a whole bunch more that I need to put on. Road train there, Kenworth. And just a couple of random trucks. Just some older ones, some Matchbox. And then I picked this up the other day, just picked it up second hand. It was a bit dirty, I had to give it a clean up. It's a 134 scale Icon models, first gear. Matte Granite from Boral, Australia. Cement truck. It's got a few moving parts on it. So that's a pretty cool looking truck. I'm not gonna collect any more 134. I mainly got this just because of the Boral. But yeah, otherwise no, I don't want to collect any more 134 scale. I'll pretty much just stick to the 164, 143, 124 and the 118. I have just ordered the 118 scale Road Kings Smokey and the Bandit Kenworth trailer and 2 figures. So that should be here next week or so. And then after that I'll probably get the BJ and the Bear Kenworth cab over. So yeah, pretty good looking cabinet there. Fits nicely in this little spot that I've got here in the hallway. So yeah, it makes use of that and still get around pretty easy. And it looks alright. It did have a lock on it, but it didn't have the key, so I've got to sort something else out there for a lock. And then yeah, I'll get some additional shelving that'll sit up here. I think you can get the clear stackable sort of shelvings as different levels. I'll see how it looks in there. I'll grab some of that so I can stack some of these trucks up a bit. So that's pretty good. So I've got these trucks here. I've got to get the next lot, which is on its way. These I need to get on eBay and get reviews done. So there's a few different types there. So we'll get that sorted. Get a sneak peek at some of them. There's a Kenworth Bullnose. I think it's I think that was a Marmon. I think it was a white Western Star, International Trans Star. I think that was a GMC. I think that was. What was that one in there? I think that was a Western Star. I think. What was that? Freightliner, I think. Got Kenworth down there. And then what's that? GMC, yeah, GMC General. Another Mac. So there we go. And I've still got to do video reviews on these ones. Just those three there, so they'll go in the cabinet. And just a couple of Matchbox here. Some older ones, which I'll also do video review on. DuPont. So we'll get some video reviews done on them. Just a couple other models that I've got there, which I've got to do a review on. I do have another Porsche coming, which will be on eBay. And then I just got this Ford Transit from IXO. It's a 1/18 scale. Unfortunately, the roof rack's off it. And Porsche is very nice. You'll see that better in a separate video review. Yeah, very nice paint on that. Okay, I'll end this video here. Check out the other videos that are popping up. And we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.